Lesson class, let us discuss about the digestion of carbohydrate. First, in buccal cavity. In buccal cavity, 30% digestion of starch take place. Starch is one of the carbohydrate. Starch is found in plant and plant products. Starch is macromolecule that is made up of large number of glucose units. In our saliva, there is an enzyme that is called salivary amylase and pH is 6.8. Salivary amylase is also called ptyalin. Salivary amylase break down the starch into maltose, isomaltose and alpha dextrin. Alpha dextrin, it is also the polymer of glucose. Then in saliva there are present lysoenzyme. These lysozyme, they are antibacterial in nature, bicarbonate ion. They maintain the pH. Thiocyanate ion, they are also antimicrobial and they prevent the microbial infection. There is present mucus. Mucus of saliva moisten the food material. It also lubricate the esophagus. Next is, now the food come through esophagus in the stomach. In the stomach there is no digestion because the condition are acidic condition. Now food come into small intestine. In small intestine, food receive the juice from pancreas as well as from the intestinal gland. Because in pancreas mucous membrane is absent and there is no digestion in the pancreas, then Brunner gland are the gland found in the small intestine. Mostly they are located in duodenum. These are stimulated by the vagus nerve. Vagus nerve is the 10th cranial nerve. And hormone secretin. Secretin is further released by the cells found in the near the crypt of Leberkuchen. Then they stimulate the Brunner gland to release the mucus, and mucus mixed with the food which come from the stomach. In the stomach HCl is present, pH is very low, so mucus mixed with this acidic food. Now this acidic food which come from the stomach, it is called chyme. In the intestine, food receive the juices from pancreas, or this is called pancreatic juice, as well as intestinal juice. Pancreatic juice contain pancreatic amylase. This pancreatic amylase further act on starch, remaining starch, because only 30% starch get digested in the buccal cavity and remaining starch get converted into maltose, isomaltose and dextrin. Next, the food is also acted upon by the enzyme of intestinal gland. First, maltose, which is the breakdown product of starch, is acted upon by maltase. अगर हम सबस्ट्रेट के नाम के पीछे ASC लगा देते हैं, that means we are talking about the enzyme. It result in formation of glucose and glucose because maltose is formed of glucose subunit. It is disaccharide. Then isomaltose is also acted upon by, ये ASC इसलिए लिख दिया है, आप एंजाइम का नाम लिख सकते हैं आइसोमाल्टेज. फर्दर इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू ग्लूकोज एंड ग्लूकोज. सुक्रोज इज एक्टेड अपॉन बाय सुक्रेज विच गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू ग्लूकोज प्लस फ्रक्टोज. सुक्रोज इज द टेबल शुगर, जो चीनी आप खाते हो जो कि शुगर केन से ऑब्टेन होती है. ये ग्लूकोज और फ्रक्टोज से बनी होती है और सुक्रेज की हेल्प से ग्लूकोज और फ्रक्टोज में टूट जाती है. अब हमने किया था बक्कल कैविटी और पैनक्रियाटिक एंजाइम की हेल्प से जो स्टार्च है दैट गेट ब्रोकन डाउन इनटू अल्फा डेक्स्ट्रिन. अल्फा डेक्स्ट्रिन इज acted upon by alpha dextrinase which is present in intestinal juice and result in formation of glucose because dextrin is made up of glucose subunits. अब अगर हम दूध ले रहे हैं, दूध में अपनी एक नेचुरल शुगर होती है दैट इज लैक्टोज. लैक्टोज इज एक्टेड अपॉन बाय लैक्टेज. अब जो लैक्टोज शुगर है दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ ग्लूकोज एंड ग्लैक्टोज and this lactase break down the lactose into glucose plus galactose. Then we talk about, this is very important here, lactose intolerance. कुछ लोगों में होता है कि वो अगर दूध पीते हैं देर इज डिस्टेंशन ऑफ स्टमक और फ्लक्चुएंस, इसका मतलब पेट में अफारा आ जाता है क्योंकि उनकी बॉडी में लैक्टेज एंजाइम नहीं होता, दे कैन नॉट डाइजेस्ट द लैक्टोज, देन दीज पर्सन आर एडवाइज्ड टू टेक द योगर्ट और कर्ड. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द डाइजेशन ऑफ carbohydrate. Next video we will discuss about the digestion of